Yes, Councilman Lenz, despite your feigning self-righteous indignation at the hearing and your taking offense that the appellate mentioned profit motivation as one obvious reason for that request, adding an additional floor was nothing if not about profit. Personally, as a resident, I'm offended that you refuse to address the obvious. If this is the kind of reasoning our new regime uses to approve upzoning and, in essence, reward developers that march in and tear down buildings prior to setting foot in front of the zoning board, we're well on our way to destroying whatever is left of historic Hoboken, and it's a very sad day.
None of you seem to recognize that that does not even address the issue of whether or not there's harm to the public in the neighborhood, harm to the general public of the people of Hoboken, because of the fact that by granting these variances, you encourage people to tear down our historic buildings and build bigger, more dense buildings. And Mr. Lenz got very offended because I brought up the idea that there's a strong motivation for developers to do this. If you make it easy for them to get these variances, there's a strong motivation, and that motivation is money. And it's because if you have a plot of land, the more height and density you have on there, the more money they will make. So by you doing this, you're encouraging the destruction of historic buildings, loss of light and air, and other quality of life destruction in our town. So I'm very, very disappointed with this. I wouldn't have taken all the time that I did to appeal if I did not think that I would get a fair hearing, and I don't think that I did.